Now, as COVID cases rise and more establishments start bringing back mask requirements, the president is once again imploring the public to get the vaccine.
Yeah, he just finished speaking a few minutes ago. Most of his announcement focusing on the rate of unvaccinated people who are contracting COVID-19. He is calling the recent rise in cases a, quote, pandemic of the unvaccinated. That's according to him. He is asking states to use federal relief money to fund incentives for people to take shots. Governor Holcomb has said he is hesitant to offer incentives for a vaccine. Well, the president is also requiring all federal employees and contractors to get the COVID vaccine. If they don't, they will need to be tested regularly and wear masks while working.
That will affect thousands of Hoosiers, and tonight we're asking if it's even legal. Fox 59's Kristen Eskow has been getting answers all day. She joins us now from the newsroom with what she's learned.
Well, Beershell and Fanchon, we've heard some opposition to this policy from groups like the Federal Law Enforcement Officers Association, but legal experts I've spoken with say the requirement to get vaccinated or routinely tested is legal, regardless of state law. It's a new policy for federal government workers just announced by the President of the United States. But experts say legally it's no different than a vaccine requirement from a private business.
And the Justice Department lawyers just determined that federal law doesn't prohibit public agencies or private businesses from requiring a COVID-19 vaccine, even if the FDA has only authorized these vaccines for emergency use.
Jody Madeira of the Indiana University Maurer School of Law says the legality of this type of requirement has already been settled previously in the U.S. Supreme Court.
Basically, the court said, hey, we can protect public welfare over individual liberties under the Constitution and the 10th Amendment police powers. We can protect the common good over personal liberty.
Earlier this year in Indiana, the state passed a law banning state and local governments from issuing or requiring vaccine passports. But experts say that law can't be applied for federal employees.
It would not have the same application. And that's a really important caveat, because if you can't ask for the proof of it, you are, in a sense, taking someone at their word.
Laura Wilson of UIndy notes this isn't a vaccine mandate, so people who don't want to get vaccinated or show proof aren't at risk of losing their jobs as long as they comply with the other safety rules.
Certainly some people will talk about individual rights and protections, but this isn't a mandate in the sense that people have to be vaccinated if they're a federal employee.
Now, Governor Eric Holcomb told me earlier this week he's leaning against requiring the vaccine for state employees. Now, he also told me he'd be releasing some updates by the end of the week, and those updates are expected tomorrow afternoon when the Indiana Department of Health holds a news conference. For now, live in the newsroom, Kristen Eskow, Fox 59 News.